Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an unboxing from Cleef Arpels for you guys. And finally, I'm able to check this item off of my wish list. So way back in January, I did do a luxury wish list for 2023 here on my channel. And this was on that wish list, or actually to be more specific, there were 3 items on that wish list and I was only going to pick one of those 3 to get, and this was one of them. And I spent like a chunk of the year deciding which of the 3 to get. The entire time though, this was the front runner. I think even when I made that video, I kind of like subconsciously knew that this was the one that I liked the most, but it's also the most expensive one by like a good margin, I think. So I really wanted to be certain, and I tried all 3 pieces on in stores, and yeah, this was it. But even when I decided, I kind of still dragged my feet getting it in a way. I mean, I definitely don't need like any more jewelry, but basically I did do a Cleef Arpels collection here on my channel recently, and right after filming that video, I don't know, I guess I was just like in the mood thinking about, you know, the brand. So after filming the video, like right away, I basically messaged my sales associate and I asked her if they had it in stock. And actually, I'm being super vague with what this item is. Like, let me start unboxing it so I could put a name to this. But I basically texted her asking if they had this in stock, and I wasn't expecting her to. So this is the envelope with all the paperwork, and I wasn't expecting her to say that they had it in stock, but basically she was like, oh, we had a pair come in yesterday. So since I already tried this on in stores, I just asked her to process the sale remotely and send it off to me. So this specific one I haven't seen in person just yet, and I also do need to make some adjustments to this. So this isn't completely final yet. I can't really start enjoying it just yet. But here it is, the box inside. Oh, I think I still got like the old packaging, which is great. I was kind of expecting them to give like the new packaging. So inside here, these are the mini lotus earrings. And yeah, they're just so gorgeous. Actually, I haven't even looked at them myself yet. So how many of you guys were able to guess that this was going to be the pair that I would go for? I think like throughout the year, people were messaging me and stuff saying like, oh, you should get this one. And most people actually were saying this was the one to go for. So yeah, if this is the one you guessed, you were right. And I really love this design, the mini lotus specifically, because if you can see right here, because it's on a black background, you can see that there's like little open parts of the design that you can kind of see through. So when it's on your ear, then you'll kind of see a little bit of skin peeking through. And I just think this is so gorgeous. I think it looks better than the Lotus collection, like the bigger models of the Lotus, because those don't have those little gaps in it. And I just really think this is so pretty. Everything about this design is like so intricate. Even the back of it is really intricate looking. Not that you'll ever see that when you're wearing it, but it's just that they thought about every little detail so carefully. And what I like about this pair of earrings is that even though it's like, you know, like this, it's fairly big, right? But the backs on these earrings are still the ones where you just have like something that you like push in from the back. It's not like the Omega backs, which have that like clip feature. I hate that. I have one pair of earrings from Cleef Arpels that has that backing on it, and even though I love those earrings, I am never going to get another pair of earrings with that type of backing. This one, as they sell it, is still not ideal. So this comes with the La Poussette backings, which basically there's like this spring mechanism that locks it into place. So when you put on the back, you basically pinch down on the spring, and then once you let go of it after it kind of like goes through the post, then it locks it into place. But it is such a pain to put on. Like my fingers basically go numb trying to do that, and it's the same thing when you're trying to like remove it. But the good thing about this is that you can basically have Van Cleef & Arpels change it to just like those I guess less secure butterfly bags, which is what I did to my mini frivole earrings that I'm wearing right now. But honestly, even though they're less secure, it's still pretty tight on there. Like I've worn these earrings a bunch and it hasn't loosened over time, which is great. So I'm perfectly comfortable getting those same bags for this pair of earrings. The other adjustment that I have to make to it is I'm going to ask them to make the post a little bit thinner. So yeah, I can't like truly enjoy this just yet. I have to make those adjustments, but yeah, I just think these are so gorgeous. I just love looking at it. And yeah, this is basically, I've been super obsessed with wearing white gold jewelry recently, so this is kind of adding to my white gold jewelry collection. I still love rose gold, don't get me wrong, but I've just been like adding a lot of white gold pieces. So the 3 pieces was between this as well as the Sweet Alhambra earrings in white gold with mother of pearl, or the other option was going to be the mini frivoles. So basically the earrings that I have right now, but in white gold. And yeah, this was really the one that I love the most out of all of them. It's in fully pave and it just sparkles so much, especially since the lotus petals kind of like fold a little bit, so they're all angled slightly differently and it reflects light so nicely. I just can't say enough good things about it. I think between the other 2 pairs, maybe I might still add one of the 2. I think I'm leaning more towards like the Sweet Alhambra earrings because I don't have that yet. Maybe not necessarily in the white gold with mother of pearl. I haven't quite decided yet, but I still am looking to add something from that range because I think it's like, it's so simple to just like put that on. It's kind of like really small, but bigger than like diamond studs would be. So yeah, I think that would be nice to have in my collection too, but that's something that I would think about like kind of not anytime soon. I'm going to enjoy this pair of earrings first. So yeah, this is my newest item to my Van Cleef & Arpels collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know, what do you guys think of this pair of earrings? What do you guys think of the Lotus collection in general from Van Cleef & Arpels? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for lots more videos on luxury jewelry and handbags and fashion. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.